Hello everyone, my name is Anshika and I am a student in QSpiders. I have pursued Java full stack from QSpiders and they will give me a very best teaching because they have a very best trainers because they will provide a use case in SQL, Java and database. So you have, if you have any doubts in any subject, then they will clear it all. And if you have participated in any of the drive, then they will guide you, they will groom you, they will groom you very well, and you will perform very hard in your interviews. But main thing is that how will you groom yourself? Because if you have your skills and you have learned with very best thing, like first thing is that you have to attend all the classes which is provided by the trainers, then I think this is the best advice I will give to you. So you have to attend all the lectures, you have to learn something what they will teach you, and you have to attend all the mocks they will give to you. So in mock, simply you have to answer all the question. It is simply like your interviews. So it will help you to boost your confidence and boost your knowledge in technical, in communication, in interpersonal skills. So that's it about myself.